Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to my channel. Before starting math problem, and we will be continuing scientific notation as we discussed in the last first episode. So I would like to start with a message again. During this period of COVID-19, we are fighting against the spreading of this COVID-19 virus, coronavirus, and we are fighting it globally. So my message is like, do not waste your time in this time of self-isolation. So do online courses, improve your skills, spend time with your kids studies, watch documentaries, read books with kids. And if you have any question, math problem, or anything which you want to get explained, because the parents also forget when they are not practicing math very much and they have difficulties to teach their kid. So you can send me the questions and I will answer you on YouTube. And my email address is s_shahid s_shahid_ali @hotmail.com. You can send me questions and I will answer you on YouTube video. So this is what I can help with the students and their parents. Now last time we have done scientific notation, and I promised to give you some more practice. And in this practice, we will be having two examples. For example, the first example is I have to write 42358.4. Let's say this is the digit, and I have to write it into scientific notation. And the rule is that I have to shift this decimal here. Why here? Because 0, what we have to move the decimal so that there is one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal. So I have to keep one digit to the left of the decimal. Therefore, I will write 4.23584 into 10 to the power. Base is always 10 and power is which way we move. So we move leftward. That means power is positive. So counting left, exponent is positive. How much positive it is? How many digit I move? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digit I move, so 10 to the power 4. So now the next example is, for example, we have the number like this. Any number of the zeros you can put and then check the rule how to shift the decimal. So move the decimal this time here to here, because you have to have one digit before decimal to the left. You have to keep that one digit. So now I put the decimal 5.83 into 10 to the power. How many digit I move? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit I move, but which way I move? I move to the right. Counting right, exponent is negative. So my exponent is x 5.83 into 10 exponent minus 4 this time. So one of the interesting question, like why we call it scientific notation, because in science we have lots of numbers and big numbers. Like for example, one of the question was asked that speed of light is 30 billion, like this. If we call it in centimeters per second, so this is 30 billion centimeters per second. Right, so if we want to write it in terms of scientific notation, how to represent it in scientific notation? So scientific notation rules apply here. Again the same. Scientific notation of this big number will be 3. We have to keep 3, right? So 3.0, or you can write only 3. It doesn't make any difference to 3. Now I have to count how many digit I transfer my decimal. Suppose my decimal is here. So I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 to the power 10 centimeter per second is my speed of light in terms of scientific notation. So whenever there are big numbers in science, we use scientific notation, and then we will learn these exponent rules in the next class, that how exponent rules can be used for addition, multiplication, and subtraction, and big numbers can be reduced to the short numbers, and then we can easily add or subtract or multiply them. So one of the question asked about which of the following is a scientific notation. Which of the following is scientific notation? Scientific notation. So in exams, such question ask like which of the following is scientific notation, and there are few numbers written underneath like this: 4, 1, 3, 4, let's say any number, right? So one number is this, second number may be 41.3452 exponent 4, and then fourth number or third number is given, third number is given anything like 4.13452 into 10 to the power 4, and fourth notation is written like combination of something, maybe like this: 1 into 10 to the power 4 plus 35 10 to the power 3 plus or minus 22 into 10 to the power 5. And question, what question is asking? Which of the following is scientific notation? So we have to use now our knowledge, what we learn here, and what we said, that there must be one non-zero digit to the left of the decimal. So this is not a scientific notation. This is not a scientific notation. This is because we have to solve them. This is a big number, but we can reduce it to or simplify it to something scientific. So here is 41. So it doesn't match my definition. There should be one non-zero digit. So only number which is matching to my definition is this number. So this is my scientific notation. The answer is number 3. 4.1345 into 10 to the power 4 is my answer, because scientific notation must have one digit to the left of the decimal, and here we have 2 digits to the left of the digit, and here we have the standard form. In next class we will also learn that how to convert standard form or expanded form and then scientific notation. Sometimes question is asked that what is difference between scientific notation and exponent form? So exponent form is when you have the exponent, then it's an exponent form, right? So this 41.3452 may be called like an exponent form because this is written here. But if we are saying that exponent form is the same as scientific form, then scientific form must follow this rule that I have to have one digit to the left of the decimal. So this can be called as an exponent form, but this is not a scientific notation. Scientific notation must have one digit to the left of the decimal. So I hope you understand this and you can practice it so that you can have perfect knowledge. And then in the next video we will be doing some exponent rules. I hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to receive the next video. Thank you for watching.